We can say local government in India, or say the panchayat. So Panchayati Raj system is a local self-government, and this is as opposed to the urban government and municipality. It consists of Panchayati Raj institution, which is the self-government village realized. They are the task the economical development, strengthening social justice and the center state में जो schemes है जिसमें 29 subjects हैं that are implemented in the 11th schedule of constitution. Part 9 of the constitution of the section of the constitution relating to panchayat stipulated the state or union territory with more or 2 million inhabitants. ग्राम पंचायत विलेज लेवल में पंचायत समिति ब्लॉक लेवल जिला पंचायत डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल द स्टेट ऑन यूटी विद द लेस देन 2 million of inhabitants there is only two level PRI. The Gram Panchayat consists of all the registered voters living in those areas and in the organization which village inhabitants participate directly in the local government. Election for the member of panchayat at odd level is take the 5 year. 5 year में elections होते हैं. By federal law, the panchayat must include the member of SC/ST in the same proportion of general population and at least 1/3 of the seats for the women. And some state has a increased required minimum population of 1/2. So Jawaharlal Nehru inaugurated the Panchayat Nagaur. That was 2 October 59. The day was selected occasion of Mahatma Gandhi birthday. Gandhi wanted the Gram Swaraj Panchayati Raj. The system was modified 1992 73rd Amendment. In India, Panchayati Raj now function the system of governance in which the Gram Panchayat are basic unit of local administration. Panchayati Raj system exists in Nagaland, Meghalaya, Mizoram and all territory. Panchayat originates since the 1700 BCE, that was Vedic era, and considered to be the basic unit of self-administration. Mahatma Gandhi is a panchayat as a foundation of Indian political system, decentralized government responsible for the affair. The term such as the village of Gram Swaraj instead India developed highly centralized government. However, has been moderated by the delegation of several administration functions, empowering elected Gram Panchayat. There are a significant level of empowering the elected Gram Panchayat. There is significant difference between this and that was considered the system formalized in 1992. Jawaharlal Nehru was Nagaur and the day was selected the occasion of Mahatma Gandhi birthday. The Gandhi wanted to Gram Swaraj. Rajasthan was the first state implementing this inauguration of Panchayat in Andhra Pradesh 1959 on the occasion of Dashera and gradually established the system of modified in 73rd Amendment. Balwant Rai Mehta Committee of Member of Parliament Balwant Rai Mehta Committee appointed by 1957 examined the work of Community Development Program and National Extension Program suggested may improve their work, and the committee recommendation implemented 1958 by NDC set the stage for launching the Panchayati Raj, and the committee recommended establishment of a scheme democratic decentralization. This led establishment of three-tiered system, and that was a block, Jilla and district level. 93 constitutional 73rd amendment and 92 came into the force. So it was in 93 and came into force in 93, and that was 92 act. So India is providing constitutional status to panchayat. This amendment extended panchayat tribal of 8 states: Andhra, Gujarat, Himachal, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Rajasthan. 24 दिसंबर 96 में क्या तक इसने सारे ट्राइबल स्टेट को इसने कवर कर लिया. ठीक है. So the amendment contained provision for the devolution of power of responsibility, both the preparation of economical development, social justice, implementation of 29 subject, 11 schedule, and three-tiered system of the panchayat. And now to hold the panchayat election regularly in the 5 years, providing the seats for scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and to appoint the state finance commission, make the recommendation for the financial power for district planning committee. Now, what is a three-tiered system? Four-tiered system was inaugurated in West Bengal. And Mahatma Gandhi 2 October in the 1964, that was West Bengal Jilla Parishad 93, for various system did not work. This after some time these bodies are superseded. So Gram Panchayat composed of the representative, that is directly elected villager for the 4 year term, and locality of the panchayat composed of sarpanch. They are the directly elected directly by the village from 4 year. Locality composed of the block development officer, community development block, And Lok Sabha MP who does not hold a ministerial portfolio, MLA who does not hold any portfolio. So Rajya Sabha MP who is domiciled, and MLC who is domiciled in das. SC ST OBC populated by the state government of two social workers. So ये वहाँ का था, like district council is also there, and local municipality there was a chairperson, mayor nominated by the state, and chairperson of district school board, and females nominated by the state government, MP, MLA. So this is for the West Bengal actually. In the three tier, that this is for us. So three tiered in the 1973, and that was this system was the Constitution of India's 73rd Amendment. Gram Panchayat, Panchayat Samiti, and Jilla Panchayat. Sorry. So nomenclature, different part of the India level Panchayati Raj institution might have different names and various spoken cultural differences also. Jilla Parishad, Jilla Panchayat, District Panchayat. Block Panchayat, that was Panchayat Samiti, Panchayat Union, Mandal Parishad, Mandal Praja परिषद, ये डिफरेंट नाम्स हैं इनके. विलेज पंचायत को हम ग्राम पंचायत या गांव पंचायत कहते हैं. टू टायर्ड भी है. अर्लियर द पंचायत 1948 में क्या कहा गया था कि इसको टू टायर्ड होना चाहिए, एंड दैट वाज ग्राम पंचायत एंड जिला परिषद. तो दमन दीव, गोवा, सिक्किम, मणिपुर में अभी भी ऐसा है. ठीक है. अल्टरनेटिव वो सब पंचायत. सो 6 शेड्यूल जो है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की एग्जेम्प्टेड हैविंग ए पंचायती राज. सो मेघालय, खासी हिल है वहाँ पर, गारो खासी जयंतिया. नागालैंड में नागा पीपल रहते हैं, और मिजोरम में लुसाई हिल है, जो कि वहाँ पर भी ऐसा ही है. इलेक्शन, द मेंबर ऑफ लेवल ऑफ ऑल पंचायती राज इलेक्टेड डायरेक्टली. डायरेक्ट इलेक्शन होते हैं चेयरपर्सन एंड प्रेसिडेंट एट द इंटरमीडिएट लेवल, एंड डायरेक्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल में इलेक्टेड इनडायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द अमोंगेस्ट. तो डिस्ट्रिक्ट में क्या होता है, इनडायरेक्ट इलेक्शन होता है. At the village level, chairperson and president are determined by the state government, and some state direct election while the other use indirect election. तो जो इसके chairperson होते हैं they are elected by the indirectly. तो so choose the chairperson on the gram panchayat में indirect election. For the purpose of representation, the village panchayat, block and the district are divided into constituency, ward and represented elected member. Panchayat council in the some states there are the ex officio member of block district who are not elected. So duration, the term of the Panchayati Raj institution has a 5 years, and election to these conduct the respective state election commission. तो यहाँ पे state election commission इसका election करवाता है, और ये 5 year का duration होता है. Reservation of the seat for panchayat is mechanism ensure the representation for the marginalized underprivileged society. This reservation is included the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and women, and percentage varies the state to state based on the demographical factor. ग्राम पंचायत सभा, so that was elected head होते हैं पंचायत में, सरपंच होगा एक, and ग्राम पंचायत are elected directly by the voting of the village in the 5 years. ग्राम पंचायत president also known the sarpanch and preside over the sabha meeting. Elected standing committee operated the panchayat focus in the specific area like finance, development, education, and 5 members भी होते हैं. ब्लॉक लेवल पंचायत में just the तहसील goes the other name that was various part in India, notably the मंडल, तालुकाज, and ब्लॉक पंचायत it is known as the मंडल प्रजा परिषद आंध्र प्रदेश में, and तालुका परिषद गुजरात में, तमिलनाडु में, उत्तरांची, और पंचायत समिति महाराष्ट्र में. तो ब्लॉक लेवल पे एक होगी हाई लेवल. Now composition, membership in the block panchayat mostly ex officio is composed of all the sarpanch in the panchayat samiti and the MP MLA of the area of sub district SDO and co-op members also. So SC ST and women. Associated member, that was cooperative society, one from marketing, and some elected members. Kerala block panchayat members are directly elected just by the gram panchayat of district panchayat. System of practice. The panchayat throughout the year has been relied on the federal state grant economically and absence of mandatory elections. So sarpanch have a decreased the spread of information leading to the more state regulation. Many panchayat have been successful achieving the goals through the cooperation between different bodies and mobilization of the previously under represented group. This is the obstacle of literacy. May panchayat face the engagement of village with most development schemes. So however, home linked to the Panchayati Raj system increase the participation. Reservation policy of women is also led to the substantial increase the female participation. In 92, the transforming role of the women, the 73rd established reservation for one third of the women. This reservation led to significant increase the women participation, serving elected representative various positions, sarpanch, village level panchayat member. Women also demonstrate their positive and enlightened thinking in the panchayat, and the supportive action from their families encourage the women for Panchayati Raj. Even though the bureaucracy is also male dominated, Gandhi hoped the Panchayati Raj could be the framework for the free India. As a promoter of liberalism and self contained autonomous village, 73rd Amendment also resisted because of the reservation of seats as high caste people had accepted the marginal caste women. Indirectly empowered the indirect, this lead to corruption जो था वो कम हुआ है ग्रास रूट लेवल पर काफ़ी changes आए. So Panchayati Raj system is a practice of male relative assuming the role of elected women, often referred the प्रधानपति होते हैं, which is undermine the intent of the serving seats of women. So such incidents have been reported multiple times. In the March controversy merged the Parswara village at Chhattisgarh. 6 men took oath of the office and their wives who had been elected panchayat member. This incident captured the video widely. Social media led to the public outrage and suspension of village secretary for this all. So for instance, Madhya Pradesh, there has been a cases in the husband or male family member took oath in the place of elected women and promoting the government to consider measure of prevent such occurrence. 73rd Constitution Panchayati Raj, that was 24 April and 93, Part 9 and 243 to 243O, and this 11th schedule will list the 29 subjects. Amendment established a three-tier system mandated for the 5 years and reserved seats for SC, ST women, provided the State Election and Finance Commission. You can see the National Panchayati Raj Day, that was we celebrated on the 24 April annually, and 24 April 2026 next time. Okay, so Panchayati Raj is the 73rd Constitutional Amendment. 22 दिसंबर 92 को ये आया था एंड 23 दिसंबर को इसको पास किया गया. लेटर इट वाज 17 स्टेट्स एंड असेंबली एंड रिसीव्ड असेंट टू द 23 अपील. मतलब इसको इन्फोर्स तो 93 में किया गया. एक्ट इज बिकम इफेक्टिव इन द इफेक्टिव हुआ है 93 से. द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ मनमोहन सिंह डिसाइडेड फर्स्ट नेशनल पंचायती राज डे 24 अप्रैल एंड 2010. तो 2010 से हम क्या मना रहे हैं, पंचायती राज डे मना रहे हैं. एंड द मेंशन द पंचायती राज इंस्टीट्यूशन फंक्शन प्रॉपरली एंड लोकल पार्टिसिपेशन डेवलपमेंट प्रोसेस moist threat could be countered. So addressing the elected representative, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 24 April 2015 called the end to the practice of husband of women sarpanch and a sarpanch pati exercising undue influence of the work for their elected power. So you can see there local self government के बारे में सारा कुछ दिया गया है. Now I am going to discuss about the local self government का पूरा structure. Okay, so you can see the local self government jurisdiction below the level of state. Local self government means मतलब जो नीचे का जो टायर होता है इसको हम कहते हैं local self government. And village rural settlement are the people who elect the local council and their heads authorize them to solve the important issue. इंडिया इज़ ए फेडरल रिपब्लिक, सो यूनियन है, स्टेट है एंड लोकल है. तो यहाँ पर एक यूनियन होगा, देन स्टेट्स आ जाएंगे, देन नीचे आ जाएंगे लोकल पीपल. द 73rd 74 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन रिकॉग्नाइजिंग द लोकल गवर्नमेंट. 92 लोकल गवर्नमेंट इन द इंडिया टेक प्लेस टू वेरी डिस्टिंक्ट फॉर्म. urban locality covered in the 74 amendment, and municipalities their power individual state government इनको power दे रहा है. while the power of rural localities में क्या है, formalized under the पंचायती राज system. So administrative setup of India, democratically elected local government bodies called the municipalities, and urban के अंतर्गत and rural में पंचायत. So three-tiered municipality based on this: municipal corporation नगर के लिए, municipal council नगर पालिका, and municipal committees that is town पंचायत. So अगर municipal corporation है तो 1 million population, then 25,000 से 1 million, and then 10,000 से 25,000 के बीच में committees बनाई जाती है. The constitution does not define what exactly would constitute larger, smaller urban areas of this. It has been left to the state government fix their criteria. The article also states that apart from population, other parameters such as density, percentage, non-agreemental employment, annual revenue may be taken account of state. PRA rule rural areas the three hierarchy of panchayat: Gram Panchayat at village level, Panchayat Samiti block level, and Jila Panchayat that was at a district level. Panchayat covers the about 96% of the India's and population village, nearly 99% of the rural population. So 99% rural है. As per this, about 3 million elected representatives. These members represent the 2.4 lakh gram panchayats, and about the 6672 were intermediate panchayat samitis and Jila Parishad. So following are the local election: 37% of the councillor of the women. So committees are there: Balwant Rai Mehta Committee, that was the community development project, and National Extension Service assessed the extent to which movement of success succeeded utilizing local initiative and ensure the continuity process improving economical social condition. Committee held the community development would be the deep enduring community was planning, decision making, and implementing. Early establishing the elected local body and powers. The basic unit of the democratic decentralization was area of jurisdiction. Local body should neither be too large nor too small. The block was large enough, efficiency, economy, administration. Some body must not be considered, but now constant 5 year में indirect election होते हैं village पंचायत के. And function should be covered development of agriculture, promotion of local industries, services, drinking water provide करना. हायर लेवल में जिला परिषद होता है जो कि इसको एडवाइजरी रोल देगा. अशोक मेहता कमेटी 1977. PRI structure did not develop the requisite democratic momentum but rural development. These are the various reasons for such outcome, which include the political, bureaucratic at the state level to share power resources in local level institution. The domination of the local elites a major share of the benefits of welfare schemes. It was decided the high level committee under the chairmanship of Ashok Mehta suggests the measures. डिस्ट्रिक्ट वाइबल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, प्लानिंग कोऑर्डिनेशन, टू टायर सिस्टम की बात की थी, मंडल पंचायत एंड जिला परिषद. PRI capable of planning themselves for the resources. District planning should be take care of urban rural continuum. SC ST and election. PRI basic for the population, उनको रिप्रेजेंटेशन मिलना चाहिए. पार्टिसिपेशन ऑफ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी एंड फाइनेंशियल डिवोल्यूशन शुड बी कमिटेड. सो दैट मच डेवलपमेंट फंक्शन हैज़ बिन डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल प्लेइंग है पंचायत में. नो, इसको हमने कर्नाटका, आंध्र प्रदेश, वेस्ट बंगाल ने इसको पास किया. देन फ्लैग्स इन पॉलिटिक्स, द स्टेट डिड नॉट अलाउ दिस. ठीक है. अब है GV राव कमेटी. तो GV राव कमेटी दैट वाज इन प्लानिंग कमीशन. कमेटी वाज अपॉइंटेड बाय द प्लानिंग कमीशन. तो ये ध्यान रखना, ये 1985 में आई थी राव कमेटी एंड दैट वाज बाय द प्लानिंग कमीशन. इसने इसको अपॉइंट किया था. सो PRI's committee was opinion that the total view of the rural development must be taken play central role in the people की जो problem है. PRI is activated provided the all required support to the effective organization. District level blow should be assigned work for planning, implementing, monitoring. Block level में spinal codes and rural development. डिस्ट्रिक्ट डेवलपमेंट के अंतर्गत फिर इलेक्शन शुड बी कंडक्ट रेगुलरली. एंड GV राव कमेटी मेन टॉपिक वाज फोकस. तो इसने कहा था कि इलेक्शन होना चाहिए रेगुलर इलेक्शन की बात की थी. ठीक है. किसने कहा था? GV राव कमेटी ने. फिर अलम सिंघवी कमेटी 1986 में. इट वाज कंस्टिट्यूटेड 1980 फॉर रिकमेंड वे ऑफ रिवाइटलाइजिंग द पंचायत and the Gram Sabha was considered the base for the municipality. PRI viewed the institution of governance which would actually facilitate the participation of the people. प्लानिंग में लोकल गवर्नमेंट शुड बी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनली, इसने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल रिकॉग्नाइजेशन की बात की थी सिंघवी कमेटी ने। वैसे अशोक मेहता कमेटी ने भी की थी, प्रोटेक्ट प्रिजर्व द इंक्लूजन ऑफ न्यू चैप्टर ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, नॉन इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज। तो इसने अलम सिंघवी जो थे, इन्होंने कहा था कि भाई कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन होना चाहिए बट ये पार्टीज़ को नहीं इन्वॉल्व करना है। सो सजेशन ऑफ गिविंग पंचायत कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन स्टेटस अपोज बाय द सरकारिया कमीशन ने इसको मना कर दिया। बट द आइडिया इज गेन मोमेंटम इन द 80 एंड स्पेशली बिकॉज ऑफ एंडोर्समेंट ऑफ PM राजीव गांधी, वो इंट्रोड्यूस द 64 अमेंडमेंट and bill was prepared introduced in the lower house and but it defended the Rajya Sabha non-convicting. National Front of India 74 amendment would not become act because of the absolute 9. All these various suggestions are recommendation and the means of strengthening PRA were considered while formulating new constitutional amendment. Legal framework, इसमें 73rd amendment of given was not a response to pressure from the grassroots but increasing recognition of that is the extent of rural poverty was still much too large and existing structure of government needed a reform. So idea evolved the center and the state government, it was politically derived solution. So 73rd amendment 1992 ये कब आया था? नरसिम्हा राव गवर्नमेंट के समय आया था। came into force 93. It was meant to provide the constitutional sanctions to the established democracy at the grassroots level. It is at the state level, national level. Okay, so Gram Sabha or the village assembly is a deliberately body decentralized government as a foundation of panchayat and empowered the Gram Sabha to conduct the social audit. इसने कहा था कि social audit होना चाहिए। ठीक है, यूनिफॉर्म थ्री टायर स्ट्रक्चर की बात की थी। इंटरमीडिएट में पंचायत समिति, जिला परिषद एंड ग्राम पंचायत। ऑल द seats in panchayat at every level are to be filled by the election from the respective territorial constituency. Not less than 3 seats जो मिलेगी, that is chairperson, and each tier has been given reserved for women. Reservation for the weaker section SC, ST or proportion of their population to supervise direct control smooth election of panchayat. State election commission, state finance commission होगा। ठीक है, promote the bottom up planning and district planning committee for the district according the status and 29 subjects for the 11th schedule of the constitution. फिर 97 अमेंडमेंट आया था, दैट वाज लोकल गवर्नमेंट 97 अमेंडमेंट अंडर द मनमोहन सिंह गवर्नमेंट। पार्ट 9 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन रिलेटेड टू लोकल गवर्नमेंट अंडर विच द पंचायती राज डिफाइंड 74 अमेंडमेंट इंक्लूडेड द डिफाइनिंग द पार्ट 9A of 2011 कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी बट इंक्लूडेड लोकल गवर्नमेंट इंक्लूडिंग द पार्ट 9B। तो 9B में क्या था? कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज़ को इंक्लूड किया। 97 अमेंडमेंट जो था दैट वाज प्रोवाइडिंग द फॉलोइंग। एक तो है, इसने कहा था कि आर्टिकल 19(1)(c) दैट वाज वर्ड यूनियन अंडर द कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज़ एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो 43B एंड पार्ट 4 में इसने 43B को डाला, प्रोफेशनल मैनेजमेंट ऑफ कोऑपरेटिव, एंड पार्ट 9A एंड 9B दैट वाज 243 ZH एंड ZT। ओके, सो ये ZH और ZT तक गया एंड इससे पहले ये जो था दैट वाज प्रमोटिंग द कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी, आर्टिकल 43B भी है एंड 19(1)(c) भी है, 43B हो गया एंड ZH एंड ZT भी है। ठीक है, देन दिस इज़ द यूनियन गवर्नमेंट, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ऑफ केरला। यू कैन से अर्बन एंड रूरल। अर्बन में तो डिस्ट्रिक्ट पंचायत आ जाएगा जिसमें जिला परिषद आ जाएगा, ब्लॉक में पंचायत समिति, विलेज में ग्राम पंचायत। ठीक, अर्बन में म्यूनसिपल कॉरपोरेशन आता है, म्यूनसिपल कॉरपोरेशन ऑफ दिल्ली, म्यूनसिपैलिटी दार्जिलिंग एंड टोटल टाउन एरिया। सो टाइप्स ऑफ द लोकल गवर्नमेंट एंटिटीज़ में द लोकल गवर्नमेंट एंटिटीज़ ब्रॉडली क्लासिफाइड रूरल which are further subdivided based on the size of population of the body based on the size of population of hierarchy. तो यहाँ पे 3 टायर्ड हैं। 3 types of the democratic elected local governments are there. Municipal corporation that was नगर निगम 1 million, म्यूनसिपल काउंसिल दैट वाज नगर परिषद को नगर पालिका 25,000 से 1 मिलियन एंड म्यूनसिपल कमिटीज़ दैट वाज 10,000 से 25,000 पॉपुलेशन। ये होता है नगर पंचायत के अंतर्गत। नोटिफाइड एरिया कमेटी होता है, नोटिफाइड एरिया कमेटी डिपेंडिंग ऑन देयर। Municipal Act that was a state level legislation established municipal government urban area. This provide the framework for government city various process including the election and recruitment democratic urban areas. Almost 17 different municipal acts of India is given to the country. ठीक है, इसके बाद है function of the municipal council. All municipal act are provided for the function power responsibilities of municipal government obligatory and discretionary. तो मैंडेटरी फंक्शन क्या होते हैं कि लाइटनिंग, क्लीनिंग करना, सीवर रेगुलेशन, डेंजरस ऑन ऑब्नॉक्सियस ट्रेड हो रहा है, मेंटेनेंस ऑफ सपोर्ट ऑफ हॉस्पिटल्स एंड स्ट्रीट, ब्रिज, बर्थ, डेथ वगैरह सारा, मेंटेनेंस ऑफ लॉ एंड ऑर्डर। द डिस्क्रिशनरी फंक्शंस जो आते हैं इसमें गार्डन, लाइब्रेरी, म्यूजियम्स एंड रेस्क्यू होम्स, पब्लिक बिल्डिंग्स, मेंटेनेंस रोड, हाउसिंग, ग्रुप कंडक्टिंग सर्वेज एंड पब्लिक एग्जीबिशन, ये सारा डिस्क्रिशनरी में। 12th schedule of constitution left discretion of the state government, local government has a bestowed for adequate powers and function entrusted in by the act. Okay, so rural local government body, that was the democratically elected local government is there, village and panchayati raj, that this is for the panchayat. So there was a three hierarchies are there: gram panchayat village level में, panchayat samiti that was community development program, jila parishad district level में. The panchayati raj is a three-tiered system and panchayat system, that is vision of Mahatma Gandhi for the various committees are highlighting for the government administration, result of the greater participation and implementing the rural development. So that was gram panchayat, then tehsil pe, then jila panchayat at the district level. India has a panchayati raj institution across this at village level panchayat and commonly referred the gram panchayat. So that was a block level में तो पंचायती राज आएगा, and some of the state has a block panchayat. The specific state to state purpose was to oversee the development welfare of the block and tehsil and jila parishad, jila panchayat and district council. So now part 9 of the constitution, 29 subjects, 11 schedules are there. You can see constitution of India, सबसे पहले आंध्र प्रदेश में आया था, ठीक है. द प्रोविजन ऑफ द रिप्रेजेंट डायरेक्ट डेमोक्रेसी इंटर द सिनर्जी एंड डीपनिंग द डेमोक्रेसी. सो आंध्र प्रदेश में थ्री टायर सिस्टम है, फिर अरुणाचल प्रदेश की पूरी लिस्ट है, केरला, राजस्थान में है जिला परिषद, पंचायत समिति, ग्राम पंचायत, नगर निगम, नगर परिषद एंड नगर पालिका. सो फाइनेंस और फंडिंग कौन देता है, तो लोकल गवर्नमेंट विच इज़ द इंक्लूडेड द म्यूनसिपल बॉडीज एंड पंचायत इज रूरल एरिया. सो मिक्स ऑफ द ग्रांट्स होते हैं इसमें, ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम द हायर गवर्नमेंट लेवल एंड ऑन सोर्सेस ऑल्सो. प्रॉपर्टी टैक्स होता है, यूज़र फी, लाइसेंस आर द सोर्स ऑफ द इनकम and suggested by the state finance commission. Sizable portion of the funding from the state government, grant in aid, assigned revenues, tax devolution is also provided by the central finance commission. यूनियन गवर्नमेंट ऑल्सो टू हैज़ द डायरेक्टली थ्रू द सेंट्रली स्पॉन्सर्ड प्रोग्राम होते हैं, तो यहाँ पर जो स्पॉन्सर्ड प्रोग्राम होते हैं वो भी चलते हैं. एंड ग्रेटली हाउ दे बैलेंस देयर रेवेन्यूज फॉर द इंटर गवर्नमेंटल ट्रांजेक्शन. डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन का मतलब होता है कि सेंटर इन द स्टेट एंड गिव टू द लोकल गवर्नमेंट, मतलब वो अपनी पावर्स लोकल गवर्नमेंट को दे रहे हैं. इट इज़ कॉल्ड द डिसेंट. द मेन कॉन्सेप्ट इज टू मेनी प्रॉब्लम मैटर बेटर सॉल्व एट द लोकल लेवल. The local level people can directly participate making the decision. This promote the democratic participation. In 92, assigning the towards the decentralization and commonly referred the Panchayati Raj. This local government structure extend up the district level and urban local bodies and municipal corporation, municipal councils. So the local government has been entrusted the government for various government institutions control the state government. They are controlled by, and the transfer include the district hospital now fall under the authority of district panchayats. Okay, similarly community healths are overseeing the block panchayats and accordingly the agriculture officers होते हैं. तो इस तरीके से ये वर्क करेंगे. फंक्शंस क्या होते हैं, certain functions and power provisionally given in jurisdiction, so transfer by the local government, state government देती है. these functions में जैसे एजुकेशन, हेल्थ, इंफ्रा, सोशल वेलफेयर आएगा. एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव अथॉरिटी डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन में इन्वॉल्व करती है. द मीट ऑफ लोकल गवर्नमेंट पावर टू मैनेज द ओवरसीइंग द वेरियस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन फंक्शन. This could be the manage local staff and development projects also. This is devolution of the authority aimed at enhance the local government capacity. Financial resources, this is involved the providing the tax revenue, grants and fund from the higher authority. Idea of the local government necessary financial resources effectively, like there is a financial decentralization, promote the local decision making in the financial matter. Institutional framework में 92 amendment, 73rd and 74 amendment है. 1992 में रूरल अर्बन लोकल बॉडीज एंड द एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ पंचायती राज एंड विलेज ब्लॉक डिस्ट्रिक्ट एंड द लोकल गवर्नमेंट म्यूनसिपल सिटी एंड टाउन लेवल. सो दिस इज अबाउट. हम देखते हैं व्हाट इज़ द पंचायती राज। तो पंचायती राज इज़ ए दिस इज़ ए पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम इंडियन सब कॉन्टिनेंट प्राइमली फाउंड इन इंडिया, द पाकिस्तान और ये सब एरियाज थे। तो हमने क्या सोचा कि हमें खुद का रूल चाहिए, ठीक है। सो दैट्स वाई पंचायत इज़ कॉल्ड द मुखिया या सरपंच होता है, यहाँ पे एक प्रेसिडेंट या प्रधान होता है। दिस जनरली इलेक्टेड बाय दिस मॉडर्न पंचायती राज सिस्टम वॉज अ ग्राम पंचायत शुड नॉट बी कन्फ्यूज विद द ट्रेडिशनल सिस्टम ऑफ खाप पंचायत। महात्मा गांधी ने इसको एडवोकेट किया था एंड इट वॉज एनवाइजेज एज डिसेंट्रलाइज गवर्नमेंट विलेज लेवल में ग्राम स्वराज विच इज़ डेवलप्ड द हाईली सेंट्रलाइज सिस्टम। इट हैज़ मॉडरेटेड बाय द डेलीगेटेड बाय फंक्शंस आर देयर। जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने इनॉग्रेट किया नागौर से, डेट ऑफ चूजन द कोइंसाइड विद द महात्मा गांधी का जो बर्थडे है इस दिन ग्राम स्वराज होता है, ठीक है। सो दैट वाज इसलिए इसको मॉडिफाइड किया गया। अर्ली हिस्ट्री हिंदू में ऋग्वेदा जो है इट्स प्रोवाइड एविडेंस ऑफ द सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट, कास्टिज्म नहीं होना चाहिए, फ्यूडलिस्टिक सिस्टम ना हो। एंड देन हमने तमिलनाडु चेन्नई में देखा। फिर ड्यूरिंग द ब्रिटिश के समय में क्या हुआ था, अर्ली कंपनी का रूल लगा, दीवान आए 1765 में, बंगाल नवाब, फिर उसके बाद में दरोगा फौजदार ऐसे कुछ पोस्ट आई। देन हमने सबसे पहले विलेज में कम्युनिटी को 1857 में मस्कर हुआ था एंड अटेम्प्टेड टू रीस्टोर द पंचायत फॉर द रिजॉल्व द ऑल डिस्प्यूट्स ऑफ द पंचायत। 1870 में मेयो रेजोल्यूशन आया था, दैट वाज फॉर द डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन improve the efficiency and meet the public demands, bolster the colonial finance local. This is the landmark for the local colonial policy and real benchmark of government policy decentralization by the Ripon. तो पहले आया था मेयो रिजोल्यूशन दैट वाज इन 1817, देन आया था रिपन रिजोल्यूशन दैट वाज 1882 एंड दैट वाज एड्रेस द कंसिडरेशन ऑफ एफिशिएंसी एंड पॉलिटिकल एजुकेशन। रिपन वाज ए फोकस्ड ऑन द town provided local body consisting of the large majority of the non-officials also. The resolution faced the colonial administration से resistance था इसका। local self government was given rural decentralization particularly remain in the area. Now royal commission आया था, that was royal commission was 1907 HS Primes Rose, recognizing importance of the panchayat at the village level, and commission recommend its most desirable path of interest of decentralization involving the people of local government, ठीक है, developing the panchayat at local government. So royal commission was 1907 and HW Prime Source. Now Montesquieu Chelmsford वाला आया था, local self government as a provisional transferred the subject and domain of Indian ministries due to organization and fiscal constraint. Reform were unable to make the panchayat system truly democratic. So significant development of this establishment village panchayat and judicial tribunal representing this system at the 1925 तक आते आते हमने 1926 में पंचायत एक्ट पारित हुआ था। देन प्रोविंशियल ऑटोनॉमी एंड द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट 1935 रिमार्क evolution of panchayat and that was government enacted election further democratizing the local self government. DP मिश्रा द यहाँ पे ग्रास रूट लेवल की बात की गई। फिर डीपी मिश्रा द मिनिस्टर फॉर द लोकल सेल्फ अंडर द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट इज सेंट्रल प्रोविंस ऑब्जर्व दैट द वर्किंग ऑफ लोकल बॉडीज आर प्रोवाइड द परहैप्स द होल कंट्री प्रेजेंट द ट्रेजिक पिक्चर। सो लोकल बॉडीज़ को इसने कहा कि यहाँ काफ़ी इनएफिशिएंसीज है डिस्पाइट ऑफ वेरियस कमिटीज़। रॉयल कमीशन जो था 1907 में, फिर मॉन्टेस्क्यू चेम्सफोर्ड, उसके बाद गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का रिजोल्यूशन, हायरार्किकल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन वाज द सुपरविजन कंट्रोल इवॉल्व्ड and this became a focal point for the rural government. So British were not concerned with the decentralized democracy but pursuing the colonial objectives. तो ब्रिटिश नहीं चाहते थे, बट जो मॉन्टेस्क्यू चेम्सफोर्ड रिफॉर्म आया था इससे इसका स्ट्रक्चर पता चल गया था हमें। So after 1947 Indian National Congress emphasizing issue of all India Swaraj, organizing momentum for the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, blueprint for local government, and now this role was given the Gandhi for the village Swaraj aim at the strengthen the village panchayat. Dr. Ambedkar was opposed this idea. Ambedkar ने इस idea को पसंद नहीं किया, but he viewed that village as a symbol for regressive India and source of oppression, believing that model state needed a safeguard against the social oppression which could only be achieved through the adoption of parliamentary model. सो अम्बेडकर जो थे वो इसको फेवर नहीं करते थे, बट ड्यूरिंग द ड्राफ्टिंग ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पंचायती राज वर इंक्लूडेड द नॉन जस्टिफिएबल पार्ट बट इन DPSP एज ए आर्टिकल 40 ऑफ दिस स्टेट द स्टेट शैल बी take step to organize the village panchayat and endow them with the such powers may be necessary for the self-government. However, no substantial legislation were enacted. Jawaharlal Nehru inaugurated the Panchayati Raj system in the Nagaur in the 20 August October 1959, coincided with the Mahatma Gandhi birthday, and Gram Swaraj advises Rajasthan was the first state to implement. Nehru also inaugurated this in Andhra Pradesh 11 October of the Dashera, and this system was gradually established across the India. In the 4 decades, the constituent Panchayati institution were evolved, being a part of the non-justifiable DPSP. So it is a non-justiciable part of the India. Now the post-independence Panchayat as a 5-year plan achieved the participation involvement of the plan for फिर यहाँ पर नेशनल एक्सटेंशन सर्विस ब्लॉक्स बनाए गए एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफिस हाउएवर डिड नॉट प्लान फॉर द डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन. नाउ गांधी का जो गोल था दैट वाज बलवंत राय मेहता कमेटी. इसने कमेटी को सबमिट किया 1958 में 3 टायर्ड सिस्टम ऑफ जिला डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पर. फिर नेक्स्ट स्टेप वाज गिवन बाय द पंचायत एंड मोटिवेटेड बिहाइंड एक्ट एंड दैट लोकल गवर्नमेंट इज मोर इफेक्टिवली यहाँ पर वर्क करने की बात की गई. देन main feature was a 3-tiered system of Panchayati Raj system, and that was 5 year में election होंगे, reservation of the seat for SC, ST and women, and State Finance Commission recommend for the financial power, and thus the theory of Panchayat has been given the sufficient authority for self-government promote the social justice. There has been served the positive effect of the amendments, and there is also evident deeply vote trading structure. The issue can be potentially attributed for Gram Sabha has given the power. So this whole chapter is finished.